So you've got a brilliant startup idea. It's going to change the world, revolutionize your industry, and make you a millionaire, right? Except securing that VC funding feels like trying to get a like from your crush impossible. Venture capital can be a game changer for startups, but navigating the landscape in 2024 can be tricky. Did you know that VC funding for green tech companies has skyrocketed this year? Meanwhile, investors are being more cautious with social media startups. The point is, the VC world is constantly evolving. But don't worry, in this video we'll crack the code on securing VC funding in 2024. We'll break down the process, the trends, and the secrets to getting those coveted VC dollars flowing into your startup. So buckle up, entrepreneurs, because it's time to unlock the vault. Alright, so we've seen the struggles and the ever-changing landscape of VC funding, but fear not, aspiring entrepreneurs. The purpose of this video is to completely demystify venture capital. We'll pull back the curtain and show you exactly what it is, how it works in 2024, and most importantly, how you can navigate it to secure the funding you need to turn your dream startup into a reality. Consider this your roadmap to VC success. So whether you're just starting to brainstorm your idea or have a business plan already in motion, this video will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to confidently approach venture capitalists and get that funding flowing. Let's dive in. Ever wondered how some startups seem to explode onto the scene with seemingly endless resources? Well, venture capital VC might be the key. Think of VC as growth fuel for ambitious startups. It's basically an investment from a firm or individual who sees major potential in your idea. VCs aren't handing out free money though. They invest in high-risk, high-reward opportunities. They believe in your idea and your team's ability to turn it into a massive success story. In exchange for their investment, VCs typically receive ownership stake in your company, meaning they share in the profits if your startup takes off. So VC funding can be a powerful tool to propel your startup forward. It provides the capital you need to develop your product, hire talent, and scale your business. In short, it can be the fuel that launches your startup from a dream to a thriving company. But remember, securing VC funding requires a strategic approach, and that's exactly what we'll tackle next. Alright, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of securing VC funding, let's take a quick look at the current VC landscape in 2024. It's important to understand the playing field. As you can see, there's been a major shift towards funding green tech companies this year. Sustainability is a hot topic, and VCs are looking to back businesses that are making a positive environmental impact. On the other hand, funding for social media startups has tightened up. VCs are becoming more cautious and want to see a clear path to profitability before they invest. It's all about fundamentals over hype these days. The key takeaway here is that the VC market is constantly evolving. There are hot sectors and cautious areas, and understanding these trends will be crucial when crafting your pitch and approaching VCs. Remember, VCs are looking for promising businesses with a solid plan for success, not just the next trendy idea, so keep that in mind as we move forward. Alright, so we know VC funding can be a game changer, but there's not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are different types of VCs out there, each with their own sweet spot when it comes to investing. Let's start with seed stage VCs. These are like the startup whisperers. They invest in very early stage companies, often just based on a strong idea and a passionate team. The funding amounts might be smaller, but they're crucial for getting your idea off the ground. As you climb the branches, we reach early stage VCs. They typically invest in startups that have a proven concept and are starting to gain traction. Think of them as helping you take flight. Their funding can fuel product development, marketing efforts, and initial team growth. Finally, there are Series A, B, and even later stage VCs. These are the big guns, investing in more established startups with a clear path to growth and profitability. Their funding can propel your business to the next level, helping you scale operations and potentially even achieve that coveted unicorn status, a startup valued over $1 billion. Understanding these different VC types and their preferences is key. Targeting the right VCs with the right stage pitch will significantly increase your chances of securing funding. So, tailor your approach, highlight the stage your startup is in, and showcase the growth potential that excites these investors. Alright, so you've got a fantastic idea and you're ready to approach VCs. But hold on there, aspiring entrepreneur. Before you dive headfirst, there's one crucial element: you need a strong, well-defined business plan tailored specifically for VC audiences. Think of your VC-focused business plan as your secret weapon. It should showcase your company's potential and convince VCs that investing in you is a smart bet. Here are the key elements to include. A compelling problem statement and solution clearly define the problem your startup solves and why it matters. Then, showcase your innovative solution and how it will make a real difference in the market. Remember, VCs invest in companies that address significant problems, not just cool ideas. A clear and defined target market. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? VCs want to see a well-defined target market with a clear understanding of their needs and pain points. The more specific you are, the stronger your case. Realistic financial projections. Don't sugarcoat it. VCs expect realistic financial projections that demonstrate your understanding of your burn rate, how quickly you're spending cash, and your runway, how long your current funding will last. Show them a clear path to profitability. A solid marketing and sales strategy. How will you reach your target market and convince them to buy your product or service? Outline your marketing and sales strategy, showcasing how you'll attract customers and generate revenue. A competitive landscape analysis and your unique value proposition. UVP. Who are your competitors? What makes your startup different and better? Highlight your UVP, the unique benefit that sets you apart from the crowd. VCs invest in companies with a clear competitive edge. By focusing on these essential elements, you can create a compelling business plan that grabs VCs' attention and positions your startup for success. Remember, your business plan is your chance to tell your story, so craft it with passion, clarity, and a focus on the value you bring to the table. Having a rockstar business plan is essential, but don't forget about the people behind it. VCs also heavily consider the strength of your founding team. Imagine this: you present a brilliant idea, but the VCs look at your team of recent graduates with no relevant experience. It might be an uphill battle. VCs want to see a team with the expertise and experience to execute your vision. Look for individuals who complement your skill set and bring a proven track record in your industry. This shows VCs you have the right people in place to turn your innovative idea into a thriving business. Alright, that's a wrap on securing venture capital in 2024. Remember, with a strong idea, a well-defined plan, and the right team by your side, you can navigate the VC landscape and fuel your startup's growth. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing world of entrepreneurship, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to share this video with anyone you know who's chasing their own startup dream. Knowledge is power, after all. Thanks for watching. Now get out there, refine your pitch, and chase that VC funding. Remember, with hard work, dedication, and the insights from this video, you can turn your startup dream into a reality.